Okay, so this is about creating the user profile in the application. It's very easy to create a profile in the application. Once you log into the home page, you can see there is a plus create button. You click on it on the right corner. You click the person, and the system generates an ID. You leave the ID as it is, and the username or the employee first name, middle name, last name. As you can see, this there is a mandatory checkbox. This only these fields are mandatory as per the system. You can put an email address, which is not mandatory, but the system will use this email address uh, to send the workflow alerts if there is something needs to be done by the user. Okay, and the username is an important field. This is your Windows username. If you can see here, it is the username. So you got to type your Windows login name here. Okay, without the domain name. So if you are logging in as DIFC code slash username, you just type only the username. Okay, so type username only, and the other details are you can fill in if you want to. The other important point to note is that by default this option, the employment option, is blocked. Okay, so which means that the user cannot log into the system. The access is blocked to the user, and you can't even change this checkbox when you create the user for the first time. So to do that, you have to save the record, the employee or the person, okay, and assign the roles. When you assign the role to the employee, then the system will allow you to edit that blocked status, whether it's blocked or not. Okay, so I'm going to add a role. This is what you have to do when you add a user. If you want to, if the user want to access the system, you have to create the user and assign the roles. So you click add, and then there are two type of roles. One is the license role, that is as per the license you have, and the other one is the application role. Okay, so the license role should be CRM for any user because you have only CRM license, and you can see the role is CRM, person is the person that you selected from, and the level is division. You leave it as it is, just change the role and save plus new. Now it'll ask you just information anyway. It's now possible to unblock this person because you just assigned the role to the person, right? So you can say okay. Now we added a CRM role, and now we are going to add the user defined role or application role, which is called emac basic user. Okay, this will give the user the ability to search the member record, open it, edit it, and so on. Okay, whatever possibilities that the user can do is in this role. So this is emac basic user. Okay, and you can leave the other fields as it is, employee ID and the level as division, and you click save. So you'll be back to the employee page, and you have two roles added here, emac basic user and the CRM user. Okay, now you can edit the employee or the person, and you go down. Now this field is editable, so you can say this is not blocked because I want the user to log into the system and use it. Sorry. And you can also see the start date of the employment. This is always the current date, but you can always change it to the back date if we joined in the earlier dates. Okay, that's all you should do for the employee. And once you do, sorry, I think that's it.